2021 and welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxanne, the Tiny Taster, and I just thought that over the last few days with all this festive celebration and celebrating New Year's, we've probably overeaten maybe a little bit, and also the weather's gotten nice and nippy, so I thought it would be the best time for a nice, warm, comforting soup recipe. So today's recipe is a wonderful sweet corn chicken soup. It is super easy, stress-free. Everybody loves it. Adults love it, kids love it, and it's really nice and healthy. It's warming and it's just so easy to make. You will be surprised. If you like this recipe, as always, please do give it a big fat like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification just so that you get updated every time I post a recipe, which is going to be almost every week, if not more. So make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon so you get notified. Leave me a comment. Always want to know what you think, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. I really do. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
For this recipe, you're going to need some boiled shredded chicken. I've just boiled this chicken in water with some salt, pepper, garlic and some onions. And then once the chicken is boiled and cooked, you just shred it into pieces. You're also going to need some chicken stock. I've used the same stock from the chicken that I boiled. It just has so much flavor from all the garlic and onion and everything, so I like to use that. You'll need some boiled sweet corn, a few bits of spring onion greens, some egg whites, a corn flour slurry and some salt and pepper. In your mixer grinder, add half the amount of your boiled sweet corn along with a little bit of water, and then just grind it down into a nice thick paste. In a nice big pot, add in your chicken stock, and to that stock you want to add in this nice pureed corn paste. Mix it well together and let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is really the base of your soup, so you want it to cook well. To this soup base, you want to add in your cooked boiled chicken along with some pepper and salt, and then just cover it and let it cook till it comes to a boil. After about 3 to 4 minutes, add in the rest of your boiled sweet corn and then just let this soup simmer and stir it around a little bit. If you like your soup watery, you can miss the next step, but I highly recommend adding in that corn flour slurry at this stage. It thickens the soup eventually once it boils for a bit, and it just gives it a nice bulky body. You can see the soup starting to thicken a little bit. The longer you boil it, the thicker it starts to get. If you feel you need a little bit more corn flour, you can add it at this stage, no problem. To this soup, you want to add in your egg whites. You can whisk them. I just added in as is. Most recipes only add an egg white, but I actually went ahead and added 1 yolk as well, just to see if it would make any difference. It really didn't. You can hardly tell, and it just adds a little bit more flavor, and I don't actually want to waste the yolk, so I added it in, but you can skip that if you want to. The last stage to this soup is adding in those chopped bits of spring onion greens. It's just a nice pop of color and a lovely garnish to this soup. Let it come to a nice rolling boil and then you are good to go. This soup is completely ready and you can serve it hot and enjoy. So this is it. This is my super simple recipe for a lovely sweet corn chicken soup. Of course, if you don't eat chicken and you wanted to make this vegetarian, you can absolutely do that. The steps are the same. You just need some vegetable stock and then of course vegetables of your choice, but the order in which you cook this exactly the same. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you do, please do give it a big fat like, leave me a comment. Always love to hear from you, and of course subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon.